students, if you want to be a topper, then this is the video for you. I have 5 AI tools that you can use to make your marks better. Make sure watch the video till the end and let's begin the video.
First up is Notebook LM, and honestly, this one blew my mind the first time I used it. Made by Google, Notebook LM lets you upload your PDF, lecture notes, research papers, even YouTube links, and then it becomes an AI expert on only that content. So imagine you have 10 research papers to read for an essay. You upload them all and then you can literally chat with your sources. Ask it to summarize, find contradictions, generate study questions. It even creates a podcast audio summary of your documents. That feature alone is insane for revisions. Okay, next is Napkin AI, and this one is a game changer for visual learners. Here is how it works. You paste any piece of text, whether it is your essay, lecture, notes, or a concept you are studying, and Napkin AI automatically generates beautiful diagrams, flowcharts, and infographics from it. Think about how useful this is. You write up your biology notes on the water cycle, paste it in, and boom, you have got a professional diagram you can drop straight into your assignment or presentation. No design skill needs. It is especially powerful for making presentations pop, understanding complex processes visually. Head to Napkin AI. There's a free tier that's more than enough to get started. Third tool is Gamma AI, and if you ever spend hours on a PowerPoint the night before a deadline, you need this. You just type a prompt like create a presentation on the causes of World War I, and within a second Gamma builds you a complete beautifully designed deck. We are talking real layouts, icons, formatting, not some ugly auto-generated mess. You can also turn your notes or essays into one-pagers or web pages. It is basically like having a professional designer on call 24/7. Gamma is at gamma.app. The fourth tool, and this one is genuinely my personal favorite for deep thinking and writing, Claude by Anthropic. Think of Claude as the most patient, brilliant tutor you have ever had, except it is available at 2 am when you are panicking before an exam. What makes Claude special for students is how nuanced and thoughtful its answers are. You can give it your draft essay and ask it to critique the argument structure. You can paste a confusing textbook paragraph and ask it to explain it like you are 10. It also has a feature called Project, where it remembers context across conversation, so it can genuinely learn your writing style, your subject, your course. That's huge for long-term assignments. Find it at claude.ai. The free plan is very generous. And for the final tool, Perplexity AI. Forget everything you know about Google search. Perplexity is an AI-powered search engine that doesn't just give you links. It gives you direct, sourced answer to your questions in real time. So when you are starting research on a topic, instead of opening 15 tabs and reading for an hour, you ask Perplexity and it synthesizes the web for you. These are all the 5 tools which you can use to make your marks better. Let me know in the comment what tool is your favorite, and make sure you subscribe for more related content. And thanks for watching.